Hey guys, today we're going to be installing a turn signal switch on a 1994 Mercury Topaz. So keep watching, I will show you how to do that. Today we're going to be looking at a part from standard T-Series company. So here we go.
Sure.
Okay, so we're in the Mercury Topaz 1994, like I said. Here is the steering wheel, and with yours there will be a cover that you'll need to take off, which I already took mine off. Here's the bottom side, and there is 5, as you can see if you count all of those ports. There'll be on the underside. This fits in there, and there's 5 Phillips head screwdrivers that take those out. And so here is the old turn signal switch. Obviously it is broken, busted, does not work. And so the way you get this out, if you look in there, there is a Torx bit there and a Torx bit right there that you pull out. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then we will be installing the new one. Once you have the 2 Torx bits taken out, this will just come down from here, and as you can see you have 2 wire harness clips, one for the lights, that switch, which is built into that mechanism right there, and then the second one down here is for your turn signals and hazard lights and such. So we'll be taking both of those out, which you can usually just get out with a screwdriver flathead to pop those little tabs up, and they should come right out. Okay, so now that you have those clips off, this will be free to remove. This is the old one, and a little word of advice is on this upper light harness clip, just beware, there is 2 clips, one on the front and the back, as the turn signal only has 1. Or it actually has, I took that back, it does have 2. Must have just popped off, but I did not see that there was a second one on there, so yeah, that's what you get when you don't pay attention with detail, or to detail. So now here we have the new turn signal switch module, and all you have to do is just plug those 2 clips back in and put those Torx screws back through the holes that it goes into, and you'll be good to go. And this particular switch did not come with the lever, but I still had the one from my old one, so I popped it out and it just snaps in. So let's install that and we should be good to go. To conclude, we have the new switch, turn signal switch, installed and ready to go. So let's do one final test. Thank you, Carter, for jumping the gun. Let's do one final test. And there is our right signal, and there is our left signal. And brights work. There's the lights, brights off, brights on. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. As always, hit like, hit the subscribe, and share if you think someone could benefit from this video. Thank you and have a good day.